Welcome students in the session number 4 of number system. In previous sessions we taught presentation of the irrational numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 on the number line. But in this session we should learn presentation of square root of real numbers, positive real numbers. In which type of positive real numbers? Square root of positive real numbers which have in the decimal form, So let we start. Our topic is there, representation of square root of a positive real numbers on number line. But which type of real numbers? The real numbers which have in the decimal form. Such type of decimal form numbers square root we should represent on the number line. So step by step we should learn how to represent that numbers on the number line. First, draw a number line. Any length of number line we should draw first. Okay, any length of number line. We draw a number line. Now take a point on it. A. Take a point on it A. Okay. Now we should take AB. We should take AB is equal to. Now we should take AB is equal to 9.3 unit. 9.3 unit. It means we should take AB is equal to 9.3 unit or 9.3 centimeter. Okay. 9.3 centimeter. This is the 1, 2, 3. This is 9.3 centimeter. And mark it point B. So you can say AB is equal to 9.3 unit. Clear? Now in the next step we should take BC. BC is equal to 1 unit. BC is equal to 1 unit. It means 1 centimeter. Okay, take BC is equal to 1 centimeter. BC is equal to 1 unit. Okay, BC is equal to 1 unit or 1 centimeter here. Okay. Now find the midpoint of AC. What we should find? Midpoint of AC. And you should know how to find the midpoint of AC. Take a point A as a center, and extend your compass more than half of the length of AC. Okay, like that, more than half of the AC. Now in the same manner take a center of C and cut the arc in the upper side where your previous arc is there, and lower side where your previous arc already cut. Now we got two intersecting point. This is one and this is one. and join that two intersecting point. Join that two intersecting point. This midline intersect AC at a point and mark that point O. Mark that point O. Now take O as a center and OA is equal to OC a radius. Take O as a center. Take O as a center and OC or OA. OC is equal to OA as a radius and make a semicircle. Make a semicircle like that. Make a semicircle. Okay, we draw that semicircle. Now you can see the semicircle having the center O and radius OA is equal to OC. Okay, now on the point B, we should make a perpendicular line on point B. And for making perpendicular line on point B, we should draw a 90-degree angle at point B. We should draw a 90-degree angle at point B. At point B. Now draw this perpendicular. That perpendicular intersect the semicircle. That perpendicular intersected the semicircle at point D. At point D. Now you can say BD is equal to under root 9.3. BD is equal to under root 9.3. Now take a center B. Take a center B and BD as a radius. BD as a radius. B as a center and BD as a radius, and cut an arc. And cut an arc on the number line. And that arc intersected the number line at a point E. At a point E. Then the length of BE. The length of BE will be under root 9.3 on the number line. On the number line. Okay. BD is equal to under root 9.3 is equal to B. It means B is a right representation of under root 9.3 on the number line. That steps you should follow and draw the square root of decimal numbers or real numbers on the number line. Okay, if you have any query about that representation, you can ask me. I will represent it again and again as per your need. Now some practice work for this session number 4 of number system. Represent the following real numbers on the number line. Which type of real numbers here? Square root of decimal square root of decimal real numbers we should represent on the number line. First under root 3.5, second under root 10.5, under root 7.8, and write the steps also, and how you should represent it on the number line you should write step by step. Okay, thank you.